Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm Connie with the Painted Photographer. Welcome to my 12 days of Thrifted Christmas. Each day I'm taking thrifted, forgotten items and giving them new life with a little creativity, a touch of old-fashioned charm, and of course, some holiday magic. If you love DIY, thrift shopping, and turning simple finds into beautiful Christmas items, you're in the right place. So let's jump in and create something together. I'll see you at the end. For today's project, we're going to use some thrifted frames. I am using the Antique Ironstone Milk Paint by Sweet Pickens. I absolutely love this paint, and I thought I'd have a little bit of chippy and this wood would come back through. Well, little did I know that this frame was too shiny, and I got a lot of chipping, like not even fun chipping. It just all came off. So you need to prep your surface, or you need to put extra bond into your milk paint when you have a shinier wood surface that your paint is not going to stick to. So you can see how much chipped off. We're going to go over it with Sweet Pickens Lantern, and this time I added extra bond to it, and this was probably, I'm going to tell you now, after I did all this painting, it was a waste of product. I ended up throwing this frame in the garbage. The Sweet Pickens Antique Ironstone, where you still see it on the frame, I sanded and sanded and sanded and could not get that paint off. So now when I'm painting the lantern over the top, you can see the lumps and bumps from the first coat of paint, which is something I did not like. It kind of looked like a Holstein cow because of all the different globs of white paint. So I did end up giving this one full coat of paint, thinking it might get better. It just continued to get worse. So I did end up throwing this frame in the garbage, and we're going to start over. I have a stash of thrifted frames, and there are like 49 cents, 29 cents, 59 cents. Can't read that one, but they're all pretty inexpensive. And then our thrift store has a buy one, get one half off. And so I take the frame and I remove the backings, I remove the glass, and I'm just left with the frame. So some of these come apart a little differently. Just take all of that out of there. Keeping the back and the glass together is really helpful. And then I'm going to find out what my size is of the opening so that I can prepare some rice paper to go inside these frames. So I can use rice paper, I can use regular paper. I believe for these I used just regular copy paper, printing paper, and there is a couple of my watercolor printable designs that I'm going to be using. These designs are located on my website as a download, but you have to make sure that you look for the word download because I am selling them for a limited time as rice paper. But if you want the download, you can purchase that download and use it as often as you want and make gifts, make projects for your home, use them in your journals, however you want to use these printables. They are available for your use. So I cut that down to size using my paper cutter. And the paper cutter has the measurements on the side, so you can make sure that it is that 5x7, which is what we measured the frame at, and your print will look perfect in that frame. So this one is the little bird, and I do have the other bird where I want two of the frames to be kind of similar with these two little birds in them. I thought they were just cute little robins, and I'm going to set those aside so that I can pick colors, and then I'm going to find some prints for these other frames. And you can see I still thought I was going to use that black milk paint frame, but it's not happening. I'm not using it. I threw it in the garbage. So for these first two frames for the Chili Robin and Sing Loudly, I think that his name is, I'm using Carnival Red and the DIY. This paint will stick to anything. You can use Salvation Solution if your frame is very, very shiny, but these weren't as shiny that they wouldn't hold the DIY paint without the Salvation Solution.
Christmas way. Soon there will be sleigh bells and Santa Claus. It's the number one most magic.
I wanted them to stay the bright red, so I used the DIY's Big Top and went over all of the Carnival Red. I did leave these frames dry for 24 hours. Red has a tendency to come back off if you try to Big Top it too soon. So make sure that it is completely dry, and then go over lightly with the Big Top, and you will not have any issues. On the backs of these frames, I have all of the paint did not come to the back side, which I like the back to be finished also. I cleaned the glass and I dropped them into the frame first. And now with a downloadable, you can have these birds facing whichever way that you want. I thought I had them in the right order, but I did not. So you can have the birds facing the same way, or you can flip one in your printing program, and you can flip it so that they are looking at each other, and you can have the two frames together. So we're going to use the two frames where the birds are looking at each other, and then we're going to apply the backs to the frames. We do put a piece of white printing paper behind the image just so it's a little brighter. This is the wrong back, so we're going to find the correct back. And then I do have a little cardboard I put in there, and I adhere the backs onto the frames.
I'll hold your hand so tight, and always remember the way that we feel. Look at us now, walking around in the snow. We do it in a very Christmas way. Soon there will be sleigh bells.
This is a very inexpensive project that you can do at home, and it makes beautiful artwork, and it's good for a small little gift that you need to give, and it is just a great little holiday print that will make the person who receives it smile, or even in your house. And I do love these downloadables, and I hope that you will find them on my website at thepaintedphotographer.com and order them for yourself.
Look at us now, walking around in the snow. We do it in a very Christmas way.
Thanks so much for hanging out with me today. If you enjoyed this project, let me know in the comments. I love hearing from each and every one of you. If you're enjoying these videos, don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you don't miss any of the 12 days of Thrifted Christmas. If you need any of the products I used here today, you can find them at thepaintedphotographer.com, and I'll ship them right to your front door. And until next time, happy painting.
Christmas memories. I've been working so much lately, I can barely find the time to sleep. Yeah, I spend my time running around, keeping people pleased. But this is my favorite holiday. It's a chance to start over new. 'Cause I missed you, so I'm letting go of everything but you. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, oh, la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da. Making our Christmas memories. I've been wrapping presents for you. I've been hanging marbles in the tree. And I've lit my house with Christmas lights. So you should come back home to me.